Best Papasan chairs, ideal for reading, lounging, or simply unwinding after a long day. Many options include cushions that enhance the seating experience. Lightweight yet sturdy frames ensure durability and ease of movement. Consider factors like size, material, and cushion quality when choosing the best Papasan chair for your home. Perfect for creating a peaceful corner to relax.
List number: OSP Home Furnishings Wicker Papasan Chair with. Experience ultimate comfort with the OSP Home Furnishings Wicker Papasan Chair. The 360-degree swivel adds a fun twist. Relax on the plush gray cushion that invites you to unwind. A stylish gray frame complements any room decor effortlessly. Perfect for cozy corners or spacious living areas alike. Enhance your home with this inviting and versatile chair. Advantages: imagine sinking into comfort. The Papasan chair's plush cushion offers relaxation. Enjoy lazy afternoons or cozy evenings with unmatched comfort. Picture a stylish addition to your space. The gray frame and cushion blend seamlessly, elevates any room's aesthetic without overpowering existing decor. Experience versatility with its 360-degree swivel. Turn easily while seated. Perfect for conversations, reading, or simply enjoying the view. Feel the sturdy support beneath you. Wicker construction ensures durability. Built to last, providing years of reliable use. Create a cozy nook in any corner. Compact design fits snugly, ideal for small spaces or filling empty spots. List number: Yahitech 40-inch ergonomic swivel wicker Papasan chair. Transform your living space with the Yahitech 40-inch ergonomic swivel wicker Papasan chair. Its thick tufted cushions offer supreme comfort. The sturdy, high-capacity frame ensures lasting durability. Enjoy 360-degree rotation for easy movement and flexibility. Perfect for your living room, bedroom, or reading nook. This chair blends style and function effortlessly. Advantages: ergonomic design promotes comfort during long periods of sitting. Thick tufted cushions provide excellent support and coziness. High-capacity frame ensures durability for everyday use. 360-degree rotation offers flexibility and easy movement. Stylish wicker design enhances any room's decor effortlessly. List number: Milliard Wicker Papasan Chair with. Transform your space with the Milliard Wicker Papasan Chair. Its 360-degree swivel offers ultimate relaxation. The tam cushion is soft and inviting, perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. The natural color frame adds a touch of elegance, ideal for lounging, reading, or simply enjoying a lazy afternoon. Advantages: enjoy comfort with a plush tan cushion that feels soft. The chair's 360-degree swivel offers flexibility and easy movement. A natural color frame blends beautifully with any decor style. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces, offering versatility. Durable wicker design ensures long-lasting use in various environments. List number: Crofem 46-inch giant oversized rattan Papasan chair. Experience comfort with the Crofem 46-inch giant oversized rattan Papasan chair. Its spacious design invites relaxation. A fluid 360-degree swivel adds ease. Waterproof gray frame ensures durability. Light gray cushion enhances style and comfort. Perfect for adults seeking a cozy seating solution. Advantages: enjoy ultimate comfort with the plush, light gray cushion. Sink in and relax after a long day. The 360-degree swivel feature offers effortless movement. Easily change your view or position. Built with durable, waterproof materials for worry-free outdoor use. Perfect for patios and gardens. Elegant design complements any decor style. Enhances both modern and classic spaces. Spacious 46-inch size accommodates adults comfortably. Ideal for lounging and unwinding. List number: Large indoor-outdoor rocking chair. Transform your space with a large, cozy rocking chair. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor relaxation. Its oversized design offers ample room and comfort. The thick cushion and sturdy frame ensure a relaxing experience. Ideal for porches, patios, backyards, and balconies. Enjoy moments of peace in a comfy wicker egg chair. Advantages: enhance your relaxation with this oversized rocking Papasan chair. The thick cushion offers a cozy seating experience. Enjoy peaceful moments in your porch or patio. Versatile use both indoors and outdoors, perfect for any setting. Whether it's your backyard or balcony, it fits well everywhere. Sturdy wicker frame ensures long-lasting durability, built to withstand weather changes. A reliable choice for outdoor furniture. Stylish design adds elegance to any space, complements various decor themes. This chair blends beauty with comfort. Easy maintenance with removable cushion covers, simple to clean and refresh. Keep your chair looking new effortlessly.